presenting a pre-owned 2012 Ford Focus SE. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 5-speed manual transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.